Hi there guys and girls, and welcome to another Practice Pad Friday. Let's get into it. Just before we start, can I just ask you to please hit that like and subscribe button, tick that bell to stay in touch with future releases. It really helps me a lot. A lot of people that are watching my videos aren't subscribed, so if you could subscribe, that would be brilliant. Thank you very much. That would be brilliant. Right then, so we're going to jump straight into the first pattern. So what it involves is doubles and singles. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what we're going to do is whichever hand you start with, so say it's right, so you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, then left hand lead into the doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, right hand lead. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to speed that up a little bit. Okay, and now once again a little bit quicker. Okay, so once again, as with all these, what I always say is technique is key. Make sure you're using those fingers to get those hits, especially with the doubles. Okay, so pattern number 2 is we're going to go with right, left, followed by 3 rights and a left. Okay, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, so we're going to speed that up a little bit. A little bit quicker again. Okay, so with this one, because it's predominantly right hand, we're going to switch it over onto the left. So left hand lead. Okay, so as with all these, anything that's predominantly one-handed, play through it on the other hand as well. Said would recommend playing onto a metronome. Start off at a speed you can handle and slowly pick that up. The idea of all these is just to get you used to using different sticking and getting that technique there with your hands. So rather than working on speed, really focus on your technique with these. It will just help you no end when you come to move around the kit and eventually start doing some big fillings. Okay, so pattern number 3, we're going to do a flam followed by a right left. Now this is in 3/4, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then once again flip over to left. As you can tell, my left flams aren't particularly strong. That is something I'm working on. So compare the speed to what my right can do. Compared to my left. So it's not quite there yet, but it is something that I'm working on. So I thought I'd share it with you guys, for you guys to work on. So one more time. Okay then guys, so that's the end. I hope you enjoyed those patterns. As I said, they're there and designed to build up your muscle memory and your independence. Independence on the drums is a really big thing, something I'm working on all the time. As you saw there, left hand flams isn't something I do a lot, and they are one of the weaker parts of my playing, so it's something that I'm working on to strengthen. If you could please like, subscribe and hit that bell, that would be great. As I always say, please leave a comment down below. Any lesson you want me to do, anything you want me to have a look at for you guys. If you have any questions on anything, tell me what you think about these pad lessons that I'm doing. That would be great. So this is episode 3. So at the end of the video, there'll be a link to the playlist. And I do also have a link in the description for a site called Buy Me a Coffee. It's just something where you can help. It is just, so Mike keeps slipping down. It is something where you can help me just grow. If you want to support the channel, if you appreciate what I'm doing, you like the stuff that I'm doing, that would be great. And I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.